Step inside an Amish home and something feels different. The air is lighter. The rooms are calmer. No clutter screaming for attention. No chaos waiting in the corner. Just spotless order. Simple but powerful. You ever wonder how they do it? How families without modern machines, without endless products, keep homes so clean it almost feels unreal. Today, on Rustic Pantry, we uncover the hidden secrets. 10 Amish hacks that keep houses spotless, organized, and alive with quiet discipline. 1. Simplicity at the core of every room. Walk inside an Amish home and you notice something right away. It's quiet, calm, almost too calm. There's no pile of magazines on the corner table. No random boxes pushed on the bed. No messy wires curling across the floor. Just simple furniture. Strong wood, clean white curtains, a rocking chair, maybe standing still in silence. The Amish don't believe in crowding a space with just-in-case items. If they don't need it, they don't keep it. That's the rule. You feel the difference. The air itself feels lighter, easier to breathe. No clutter means no dust traps. No clutter means less stress. Their homes are simple, but that's why they look spotless. 2. Daily cleaning routines instead of weekend chaos. You know how most of us wait till Saturday to do the big clean? The Amish don't. They can't. It doesn't work for them. A broom is always in the corner. A rag always ready by the sink. When crumbs fall, they sweep. When dishes pile, they wash. Right there, right then. They don't let the mess sit and grow into a monster. Because a monster takes hours to fight. But a crumb? A crumb is nothing. Their secret is rhythm. Little actions, repeated daily, become invisible habits. And before you know it, the house never really gets dirty. 3. Homemade cleaning solutions that never fail. Go open an Amish cabinet. You won't find 10 different bottles with neon labels promising miracles. No lemon sparkle breeze or extra strong deep scrub. Just a jar of vinegar, a box of baking soda, maybe a bar of old-fashioned soap. That's it. Yet somehow the mirrors shine brighter, the sinks sparkle sharper. How? Generations of quiet experiments. Passed down recipes. Vinegar for glass. Baking soda for stains. Lemon for grease. They trust what works, not what sells. And the truth? It works better than half the sprays sitting in our homes. Cheaper too. Safer too. 4. Wooden furniture care with old oils. Wood is everywhere in an Amish house. Heavy tables. Strong chairs. Cabinets built by hand. These aren't pieces you throw away after 5 years. They last lifetimes, but they shine because they are cared for. Not with chemical sprays, but with oil. Simple, natural oil rubbed by hand. Beeswax, linseed, sometimes olive. Slow work, but the wood drinks it in. The grain glows again. You sit at a table and feel history. Strong, smooth, warm to the touch. Amish families polish wood like they polish life. Slow, steady, without shortcuts. That's why their homes never look worn down. 5. Laundry is a daily discipline. Laundry never sleeps in an Amish house. It's not stuffed into baskets until the weekend. It's washed, folded, hung to dry in the sun. Every day, you can see it when you drive past their farms. Rows of white sheets floating in the wind. Dresses in deep blues and blacks swaying like shadows. There's rhythm to it. There's order. Clothes are clean, dried, folded, put away. No chaos. No piles hiding in the corner of the bedroom. Fresh clothes aren't just about hygiene. For them, it's dignity, a sign of discipline. You can tell who they are by how clean their clothes are. 6. Floors that shine without fancy machines. Step on an Amish floor and listen. It creaks sometimes. Strong wood under your feet. But it's clean. Always clean. No crumbs under your socks. No sticky spots. And here's the thing. They don't own fancy vacuums. No buzzing machines rolling across the floor. Just a broom, a mop, water with a bit of soap. They sweep daily, scrub when needed, polish when the season changes. It's slower, yes, but when you clean often, slow becomes fast. You don't battle years of dirt. You just wipe today's dust, and tomorrow you do it again. That's why their floors always shine. 7. Organized storage systems that actually work. Clutter hides in storage. Closets bursting. Drawers stuffed. Boxes in the attic that no one remembers. Amish don't let that happen. Because for them, everything has a place. And if it doesn't have a place, then it doesn't belong. Dishes line shelves neatly, not stacked in chaos. Tools hang in perfect order in barns. Linens folded in smooth piles, no wrinkles, no rush. You open a drawer and it feels intentional, not accidental. Their homes don't suffocate because their storage doesn't suffocate. They don't own 3 of everything. They don't hoard, and that discipline shows. 8. Seasonal deep cleaning traditions. There's something old-fashioned about Amish cleaning. Twice a year, spring and fall, they reset the whole house. Move the furniture, wash curtains, scrub walls, sweep attics, even polish the stove until it reflects the fire inside. It's a ritual, not a chore. A fresh start before a new season. Families work together. Kids help scrub. Mothers wash windows. Fathers clean barns. It's physical, tiring, but afterward the house feels lighter, fresher, like it's breathing again. This is why Amish homes never rot under hidden dirt. Twice a year, everything comes out into the light. 9. Minimal technology, minimal mess. Look around your living room. Wires here, gadgets there, a charger plugged but unused, a TV remote under the couch, another device charging by the bed. Amish homes don't fight that battle. No buzzing electronics lying around. No tangle of cords hiding dust. No blinking screens cluttering shelves. Just open space. Tables that actually look like tables. Corners that feel empty but clean. The less technology, the less mess. Their homes prove something. Sometimes it's not about how hard you clean, it's about what you choose not to bring inside. 10. Children raised with responsibility. This might be the biggest secret of all. Amish kids grow up cleaning. Not once in a while. Not as punishment. It's normal. It's family work. A little boy sweeping the porch. A little girl folding laundry. Teenagers scrubbing floors. They don't complain because it's culture. They're not helping mom. They're part of the team. Responsibility is not forced, it's shared. So the house stays clean, not because one person fights for it, but because everyone carries a piece of the work. That's how a spotless home survives, by passing the habit from one generation to the next. Clean doesn't always mean expensive. Organized doesn't always mean complicated. The Amish prove it with every simple sweep, every folded cloth, every polished table. And maybe that's the lesson. Less things, more care. Less rush, more rhythm. If you take even one of these hacks and make it yours, your home will feel different. Lighter, calmer, like theirs. This is Rustic Pantry. Stay simple, stay grounded, and keep your home alive with order. Until next time,